Hello everybody, this is Vasya from New York and today we're going to American Museum of Natural History. I was on this place first time. I was with my group from college, but actually it's not my group, it's another group. They invite me to this excursion. Looks how beautiful this entrance. This museum was built on 1869 year. This Museum of Natural History built on Manhattan. You can saw this museum on movie Night at Museum with Ben Stiller. This museum contains so many rooms that you will not have time to pass it on one day. You need to take very many coffee with me. I have very big coffee cup, like 1 liter. It was with me on my back. I came here at almost 11 a.m. and left at 1 p.m. in the afternoon. I was very tired and did not have time to go through all the rooms completely. Really, it's very big, very many floors and very many rooms. I will definitely come here again. And the price for tickets depends where are you from. If you live in New York or New Jersey, you can pay so many how you want. You can see these options when you buy tickets on the website. It's easy, really. Also, you can find an app on App Store or Google Play. You can find the map. You can find the map like print in the entrance. It's on many languages. Because if you don't have map, you can lose very many interesting rooms, and its museum really very great. Actually, many museums in New York City very cheap if you're living in New York City. It's very good and wonderful. In the middle of this video, you will see attributes from the different parts of the world, and at the end of this video, you will see dinosaur skeletons. Everything looks very beautiful, very interesting. Dinosaur skeletons, it's so gigantic, it's so big, I was in shock. Really, these pictures very interesting to me too. I have very many coffee with me. I like coffee. I have very low blood pressure. That's why I drink coffee all day and in the evening too. At the night too. I like it. Now let's see with music very interesting videos from this Museum of Natural History. This museum on Manhattan, New York City. I was here with my college group. Actually, it's not my college group, but they invite me. It's my college too. We are friends too. Let's see. This was excursion in American Museum of Natural History in New York City, Manhattan. It's very beautiful. Looks, I'm so excited. Thank you very much. It's also Vasya from New York. Bye bye. Subscribe to me. It's a very interesting channel.